Whew, I'm nervous. I love you, Lord, deep down from the heart. I need you, Lord. Each passing day, I live by your grace. You are my strength. There's no other name above your name, the source of my peace through stormy day. And I lift my voice to worship you, Lord. Let every knee bows and every tongue confess. Let every word be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. Oh Lord, I love you so. I love you, Lord, deep down from the heart. I need you, Lord. Each passing day, I live by your grace. You are my strength. There's no other name above your name, the source of my peace through stormy day. And I lift my voice to worship you, Lord. Let every knee bows and every tongue confess. Let every word be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. Oh Lord, I love you so. That's my new song, which I don't know what would be the title yet. So I hope it give you, it entertain your day. If you just about to start your Monday, I hope it gives you positive energy, and then the feeling of gratitude and just to be positive throughout the days. So again, if you can think of any title that's good for it, I would really love to hear